What's up guys, and welcome to another video. My name is Priscilla. Today I have a very special unboxing. As you can tell by the title, I managed to get my hands on a very special piece that I had really been wanting, and I know a lot of people had wanted. And it's a Nano Speedy, but it's from the Takashi Murakami collection. So if you know anything about how this launch went, you know it was a complete mess. But one of the things that I do appreciate from Louis Vuitton, because I have my thoughts on a lot of things, but one thing that I can appreciate is that they have kept the prices the same since that launch. So when I ordered this, I did a double check and I was like, well, is it the same price? And I didn't think it was, because it launched back in January. And so it's already July, mid-July, and so I thought there's no way that they would have kept that same price, but they actually did. That's one of the things that I could respect, that the price has remained the same. So I was actually really happy to find out that it didn't have the price increase. If you compare it to the Cherry collection, the prices are way higher than what this collection is. I love this collection, and just like everybody else, like I watched Jessica Simpson, and it has all like the nostalgic vibes. And of course, I was a teen, like I couldn't afford that back then. I was really young. I had already given up. I was like, there was no way that I was gonna get this. Shout out to Megan, LV Lux Delight, here on YouTube. I'm pretty sure you guys already know who she is. So she had posted something on Instagram, and I responded to her, and we started talking, and I told her, oh, like, I pretty much gave up. I don't think I'm gonna find anything from this collection. And she actually put me onto this sales associate, and she was like, do you follow her? You should follow her, because I think she might have a few pieces. Sure enough, I contacted this sales associate, Catherine, and so she was able to get me this piece. And so I'm so excited. Thank you, Megan. Thank you, Catherine. And yeah, let's start unboxing this. This sales associate is based out of New York, so she had to ship it to me. So oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is how it comes. Oh my god, I know one of the big controversy was the packaging, right? Everybody wanted the packaging. I'm not much about like packaging, but this one is very special. Like, so I'm so excited that they gave me a bag. All right, and then this is how it's wrapped. It's so pretty. I feel bad. I don't even want to like open it, but here we are. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these are the stickers. Look at. Oh my god, you guys. Where would you guys put these? I don't know where I would even put these, but oh my gosh, these are so cute. They actually gave me the stickers. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and mess up this little bow. Maybe oh, there it is. I was gonna say maybe I won't mess it up. Here she is. Oh nice, it has a little button here now. Here it is. Oh my god, you guys. And here it is. This is obviously the Speedy Nano in the Takashi Murakami in the white. And I know it was honestly like I wanted the black one, but still, like, I'm so excited that I have this. The bow is super cute. Here is the strap for the crossbody, and the little label. So I'm so excited, guys. I love the Speedy Nano. I did a little reel, is it a reel? A little short on things that I bought twice. And then, so I have 3 of these. This is gonna be my 3rd one. I have this one. I have the Speedy Nano, which you can see up here. This is the 2020 version. So you could tell the difference right there. It's the same but different. So This one doesn't have a removable strap, but it seems like it fits a lot more than this one would. But this one has the removable strap. I know one of the complaints too was that people, for this one, the original, people didn't like that these were so short. And these are a little bit bigger. But here's a quick comparison. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited about this one. Again, thank you, Megan. Thank you, Catherine. I'm so excited to wear this, to style it. I will definitely do a what's in my bag with this. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And one of the things that I will say too is kind of like what Megan told me, like if you really want something from this collection, don't give up just yet, because there are pieces out there. I had seen a few and I really didn't think I was gonna get this, but I'm so glad I did. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm pretty sure you guys follow Megan already, but I'll put Megan's information in the description box. That way if you guys want to follow her. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day.